Yes, Yakka Travels back again on another adventure, and I'm out with my two Maras, Blot Outdoors and Bonnie Isle Adventures, fresh back from Thailand.
Oh yeah.
It's good to get us all back together. Today we're at Bowley's Visitor Centre. We're going for a walk up the Summerhill Force and Gibson's Cave. Looks like a lovely little place to go.
You know that.
Yes. And once we've got that out of the way, we've got all of our food and stuff in the car. We've got plenty of logs, and we're going to stay at Car Shields Camping Barn. We've been there before. Lovely little place. So we've got that to look forward to later. But yeah, let's get on this walk.
Right.
Feel the spray off the Look at that, man. Jesus Christ. Deary me. Warm us up a little bit. What a mint waterfall. Summerhill Force and Gibson's Cave. Gibson's Cave's the bit that's underneath. Over the years, the water has eroded underneath and formed the cave. Be ideal in the summer when it's not nippy to get underneath in your shorts, but it's absolutely freezing at the minute. But yeah, speaking of that, we're just on our way back to the car to go to Car Shields Camping Barn. We're going to get the log burner blazing and start on the drink. Can't wait to have a proper can of beer. I've done dry jan this month. Hasn't been hard really, like, but I do enjoy a drink, so it'd be nice to have a little bit drink and a catch up with the lads tonight. So off we go.
Strange, but at the same time fascinating.
Strange. Very peculiar. Here we go, off to Car Shields Camping Barn. Yes. Oh. Here we are, Car Shields Camping Barn.
Oh yeah.
I think it's the third time I've stayed here now, isn't it? Third time for you, second time for him.
Third time lucky.
Great. They're just getting solar panels put on the roof at the minute. But yeah, we're in the middle room this time. We stayed in the end room the time before, but it should be a little bit warmer in there because it's less open. Anyway, we're going to get the door open and get all the stuff in.
Oh yes. New lapwing room. See. Oh, this is better.
Look at this.
I think this is better.
It's a little bit smaller, so it should hold the heat a little bit better. Big enough for us three to get in here.
Yes, guys, we're in. Oh, that light is on. The shite was on.
Right.
Class. How much is this one?
It's not much. £55 a night or something, you know. You kind of get wrong.
Can he decent?
How many people getting
The best thing about this is,
6 people.
unlike many
That's
bothies, when you
almost
camp, you're guaranteed to have it, which is always
yes.
a good thing, I suppose.
So at the end, is there a code for the toilet now?
Look at the view outside.
Code for the shit house.
Firebug sorting the fire out. Go on.
Right.
Let's have a quick look about. As you can see, it's beautiful here. Lovely little stream flowing past. It used to be an old mine, and I believe this was like the fitness shop where they fixed everything. Oh yes,
Yeah.
get them in, man.
Careful, there's a mine.
Aye. The last time we were here, that wasn't boarded up, but that was like a little entrance to the mine. Look at this, man. What an idyllic little spot. With its own little private waterfall there. Love this place, third time here now. We're going to have another good night. Cowboys just got the fire on there, so it should be lovely and warm when we get back up. Yeah, we're in for a good night tonight. Canny array of drinks and food for tonight. Some whiskey there and some... What's this again, Chris? This sub later?
It's
Hazelnut bar.
hazelnut Polish vodka.
Very nice. He's got his fancy beers there. Some shortbreads. Got loads of snacks. We didn't think we had enough, did we?
Mozzarella.
But tonight, our main for all of this here, we're going to have macaroni cheese, and it's going to be buffalo chicken. I've got the chicken in there that I done last night.
Buffalo
some spring onions, some parsley, some breadcrumbs, some Frank's Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce, some chorizo in there as well. We've got some cakes and sweets.
That looks like a dinosaur turd.
It does, doesn't it?
Looks like one of Chris's, what he lives in the lakes, doesn't it?
Every time.
I've got 4 Wingman and 2 Brooklyn Brewery Pulp Art Hazy IPAs.
Try saying that when you're drunk.
I know that, Christ almighty. These are on the Stella. Are them your Stella, Chris?
Huh?
Are you on the Stella?
Oh, yes.
The 8th Stella? I bloody shit myself.
Walnut, hazelnut.
We're eating well tonight. We've got the fire blazing away. We're going to sit down and chill out. We're just getting all of our gear set up. Plenty of room for the 3 of us in here. We probably won't smell very fresh in the morning, that's for sure. Especially that Frank's Red Hot Wing sauce. Aye, plenty.
It's not exactly insulated, is it? I mean, stick them in trees and everything. But like, if I can get that attachment, stick it in trees, and then click on facial recognition, then it'll follow us around.
Ah, yes.
James Brezovsky.
Bonnie lads are back.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
Time to get the scran on.
Pour up the milk, chuck them eggs in the flour, and in the bag, drop them on the floor. Type thing. Half hour. What you doing the metal work at your section?
Get the chicken in. I've already pre-cooked the chicken. I done it last night in the air fryer, like put a little bit of buffalo sauce on. Get all that in that.
Love it, but it went all frantic like.
There we go, there's the hot sauce gone in.
Yes!
Whoa. Guff straight in there like.
Bonnie Blue. Bonnie Blue. Off the number 202.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, cheese dot.
Oh.
Because he's been kicked out of his ma. Oh, going in. I see. See.
Sounds like the two lads next door's having a good time, guys.
At least 300 likes.
Anyway, ladies and Marilyn Monroe.
What's that sawdust? The button I had a bit
There we
of
go.
off.
Buffalo chicken and chorizo, mac and cheese. It's got it dished out.
Spit the chain up.
On some top quality chef. There we go. Buffalo chicken, mac and cheese. Nice hearty meal for the night. You impressed?
It smells nice, mate.
It's good enough for me, mate. Good enough for me. That's what I'm tucking into tonight. Lovely.
Like,
Oh,
that's just watching
Lovely,
him doing
that.
it was embarrassing.
canny bit scran. So it's getting to the end of the night. We're going to reheat some more. Get it back on. It's gone. Need to hide a little bit of water in as well, I think. Like. Round
Oh.
2 scran. Nice bit of supper before bed. Yeah?
Right.
Right.
Straight on
So we've just done the whiskey review with the two lads next door, Michael and Michael.
Oh, really?
Michael Senior, Michael Junior.
Hairy
Two
arse.
Geordie lads.
Not
North East.
talking football,
I'm not
like.
talking about neat political things like that.
Not
Neat
political.
political. We've had a good little sup. I'm going to finish the whiskey before we get to bed, aren't we?
You know that.
Say you're nicely first. Put a canny little bit of coal on the fire there. Hopefully that should keep us going all night. Look at that. Once that gets away, we should be alright, shouldn't we? For a good few hours.
right.
Yes.
Know that.
Class. On a few of these. We can see what they are. I think I'm going to head off to bed just now. These two are both in bed now. So I think it's about time I followed suit. So I've just been sat chilling by myself, as you can hear. These two's fast asleep. Who would have thought I'd be the last one awake? But I'm off to bed. So I hope you enjoyed the short antics of us tonight. I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Oh, good morning. It is 5 to 10. We've just woke up. I had a mint sleep. Cowboy Chris was up a couple of hours ago, getting some more logs on the fire. But unfortunately, it's burned out, so I'm going to get the fire going again just to warm us up while we pack away. Cowboy is just seeing that, lying on the floor. Don't know if you can read that. Two lads from next door. From last night, two class lads, two Geordie lads, a lad and his son. We had a good little drink with them and a laugh last night, like. So great to meet you if you're watching this. Shout out to you both. Cowboy said he wish he could have met you, but he was too busy knocking the Zeds out.
Yeah.
Alright, slowly get ready and then pack up there.
That's the style, man.
Style. Well, there we have it. All packed away. Normally say leave no trace. Well, it still applies really, doesn't it? We've still got to come in and clean it. But we've had a great time at Carshal's Camping Barn. It's the third time we've been now. Had a really good night last night. Talking to them two canny lads next door. And I think now we're packed up. We're going to go get some breakfast, which I cannot wait for. Ready for the off-leg?
Ready when you're ready.
Alright. What a morning. A lovely morning to go get a lovely breakfast. And a nice big coffee, more importantly. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know I definitely have. I've enjoyed it, I had a good time. I had a great laugh last night with him and them two lads. Seeing as how cowboy Chris clapped out. But yeah, overall just a brilliant night. Another one in the bag. So if you've enjoyed this, please give it a like. Give us a comment. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.